Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Windows test machine using VirtualBox. You need to install VirtualBox and download a copy of Windows to install on your virtual machine. I recommend to download Windows 10. Let's create the virtual machine. Open up VirtualBox, click on New, and give your virtual machine a name. I'm calling mine Windows 10 Test. We need to load the Windows ISO, select the empty disk, click the disk icon, and choose the Windows ISO. Now we give a username and password here. If you got a product key, you can enter that here also. After setting the username and password, click on the next button. For memory, I recommend giving it at least 4 GB or 4096 MB of RAM, but if you have more available, go for it, and also increase the number of processors to 2 or more if your system can handle it. Now, let's create a virtual hard disk. Go with the default settings, set the size of the disk to at least 50 GB, and you're good to go. You can also review your settings and click the Finish button. Alright. Now we're ready to install Windows. Click on Machine to power up and you should see the Windows setup begin. It's just like installing Windows on a real machine, but you don't need to do anything here cause Windows is automatically installing in the VM with the given username and password. Once Windows finishes installing, you'll be on the desktop in no time. And that's it. You now have a fully functional Windows test machine running in VirtualBox. This is perfect for testing software, browsing safely, or even just experimenting with Windows settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Drop any questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.